All right, in this live training, we are going to cover how to listen to demo songs within Planning Center. This is important for our production team as we need to know the flow of the song and maybe even have information relating to like what key they plan on singing in, whether they have a different arrangement, so on. So within Planning Center, most of the time our worship team is going to add various information like what key it is, what the lyric is, the flow of that, and so on. But they will also add a demo that we can listen to. And they even have several demos for different instruments in some cases. So let's take a quick look at Planning Center so you can get a feel for what that looks like. Pop over here. I'm in a basic event. This is just a training sample event, but I've added a few items. This looks just like a regular service flow for us. One of the items is music, or many of them are music. And if we were to select an item that is music, you'll see it actually changes what's over here on the side. And this is where we're going to actually focus our attention. So as I selected before the throne of God above, if I scroll down into this section, I can see we have various tabs, one labeled for files. Within the files, we can see lyrics that they would have for the song, and it shows the flow of how they intend to perform that song. They also have in the lower section some demos, and so you can see the MP3 versions are various demos, and they even have a video demo that's available here as well. I'm going to focus on this demo file as opposed to one for the EG or the loop, because the demo is going to have hopefully the entire band as well as lyrics and so on. So as you just click on this, it's going to open up a media player that shows up here at the bottom. And I'm sure my picture's in the way. You can see the title of the track. You've got move ahead, move back, play, pause, repeat, and a playhead. And if I had some music playing through our soundboard, you would hear this track, but just for copyright reasons, I'm not going to play it. But you can actually listen to the demo here all that you want. If you're not hearing anything, you may also want to double check that you've got the volume slider turned up to some extent, as well as the volume on your computer. But let's also take a look at what this looks like on our mobile device. So oftentimes we may want to access things through Planning Center on our mobile. And so here I've got my phone opened up, and I happen to be on an iPhone, but I'm pretty sure it displays very similarly on just about every phone. And I'm using the Planning Center Services app. So find your service and find your song, and we're here before the throne of God above. I've selected it now, and you can also see the same tabs that we had within Planning Center on the website as well. We can see the lyrics, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. It'll open up a PDF, so now we can see that, as well as the demos that we were expecting to see from Planning Center on the computer. Now I've selected the MP3, and you can see actually at the bottom is where our playhead is with the play, pause, skip, and reverse. All those options are here. And if the volume on your phone were turned up, or if you were airplaying to a sound device or Bluetooth headphones, however, you would be hearing this demo, and you can repeat that if you'd like. As I was running ProPresenter as a ProPresenter operator in my earlier days of just understanding the way that we perform music at this church, I would put all the songs on my way as I was commuting to my service for that day, or even throughout the week, just so I knew when key moments of the song might require additional attention when I'm running ProPresenter. I also use it when I'm running lights to get a feel for the energy of the song, as you may want to demo and understand the energy before you get in to run lights, and you can present something that's very specific to that song. So many people have been asking how to find the demos. This is it, both on the mobile and on the web. If you have questions regarding this, just leave a comment or reach out to me directly. Thanks for watching.